In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right from your dashboard. Look to the top right and open the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps your key setup tools. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every place your transactions will land, and it's where we'll add your liability account. At the top right of the Chart of Accounts, select Add Account to create a new one. First, give your liability account a clear, specific name. Think about how you'll recognize it later. Names like sales tax payable, payroll liabilities, or loan payable help you and your team understand exactly what the account is for at a glance. Next, choose the account type. You'll pick either Other Current Liabilities or Long-Term Liabilities. Use Other Current Liabilities for amounts you expect to settle within the next 12 months, such as sales tax you owe, payroll withholdings, or short-term payables. Choose long-term liabilities for obligations that extend beyond a year, like multi-year loans or equipment financing. Getting this right helps your balance sheet present an accurate picture. You'll also need to select a detail type. This describes the specific nature of the liability within that broader category. Pick the option that best matches what the account represents. If you're unsure, hover over the options or review their descriptions. Choosing the closest match improves reporting clarity. You can optionally enter an unpaid balance and a date. This is useful if you're setting up QuickBooks mid-year or migrating from another system. Enter the amount owed as of your chosen start date, and use a date that aligns with your opening balances. If you're not certain about the figure, it's okay to leave this blank and update it later when you have documentation. Consider adding a brief description too, so anyone reviewing your books understands the purpose and timing of the account. When everything looks good, select Save. Your new liability account will now appear in the Chart of Accounts and is ready to use. From here, when you record expense-type transactions, like loan payments or tax remittances, you can select this liability account in the category field to properly apply the payment and update the balance. Always double-check that you're choosing the right account so your reports stay accurate and easy to read. And that's all. You've created a liability account in QuickBooks Online, set it up with the correct type and detail, and you're ready to use it in your day-to-day transactions.